In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Jira automation rules not triggering. If you've set up an automation rule in Jira and nothing seems to happen, don't worry. In most cases, the issue comes down to a small setting that was missed. We're going to walk through the key areas you should check so you can quickly find the problem and get your rule working again. First, open Jira and go to Project Settings, then Automation. Find the automation rule you want to troubleshoot and make sure it's actually switched on. This may sound obvious, but it's one of the most common reasons a rule doesn't run. If the rule is off, Jira won't attempt to trigger it at all. So before checking anything more advanced, confirm that the rule is enabled. Next, open the automation rule and review the trigger section. The trigger is what tells Jira when the rule should start. You want to make sure the trigger matches the action you expect. For example, if you want the rule to run when a new issue is created, the trigger should be set to issue created. If it should run after someone edits an issue, use issue updated. Other common triggers include status changed or a scheduled time. If the trigger doesn't match the real event, the rule will never start. After that, check the conditions section carefully. Conditions act like filters, and every condition must be true for the rule to continue. Review each one and confirm the issue actually meets all the requirements. This can include the correct project, the correct issue type, the correct status, or the correct priority. Even one condition that doesn't match will stop the rule, so it's important to verify each one closely. Then move on to the rule scope. Open the automation rule settings and check where the rule applies. Make sure the scope includes the correct project, the correct issues, and the correct users. If the rule is limited to a different project or a narrower set of issues than expected, it may look like the automation is broken when it's really just not allowed to run in that context. You should also check automation permissions. Go back to project settings, then automation, open the rule details, and confirm the automation actor has permission to do the actions in the rule. This includes editing issues, transitioning issues, adding comments, and assigning users. If the actor lacks permission, the rule may trigger but fail before completing its actions. Finally, open the rule and click Audit Log. Review the recent rule executions and look for error messages like condition failed, permission denied, or action failed. The audit log is often the fastest way to pinpoint exactly what went wrong. Once you check these areas, you'll usually find the cause and be able to fix your Jira automation rule quickly.